In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a business VAT ID in Etsy Shop Manager to reverse charge VAT on seller processing fees. If you run a registered business and you have a valid VAT ID for your region, this is an important setting to review in your Etsy account. Adding the correct VAT information can help ensure that VAT is handled properly on certain seller fees, which may affect what appears on your monthly billing statement. Just keep in mind that this applies to eligible business tax treatment on seller processing fees, and it does not remove VAT from physical goods sold to consumers when local tax laws require that VAT to be charged. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Etsy account. Once you're signed in, access your Etsy Shop Manager. This is the main area where you manage your shop settings, finances, and business information, so make sure you're logged into the correct seller account before continuing. Inside Shop Manager, look for the Finances section. Click on that and then open Legal and Tax Information. This is where Etsy stores the tax and business details connected to your seller account. Take a moment here to review the page carefully so you're editing the correct section. Next, if you are a registered business owner, enter a valid registered business VAT ID for your region. It's important that the VAT ID is accurate and currently active, because Etsy may use this information to determine how VAT is applied to eligible seller fees. If you're not sure whether your business is registered for VAT or whether your number is formatted correctly, it's a good idea to verify that before saving anything. After you've entered the VAT ID, click Save. Once the information is saved successfully, Etsy can use that VAT registration to reverse charge VAT on your seller processing fees where applicable. In practical terms, this means the retail VAT charge on those fees can be removed from your monthly billing statement based on your business tax status and region. As a final reminder, this change is specifically about the VAT treatment of seller processing fees. It does not mean VAT can be removed from consumer physical goods if your country's laws require VAT on those sales. Always make sure your tax setup matches your legal obligations, and if needed, check with a qualified tax professional for guidance. That's it. Once your VAT ID is saved, your Etsy tax information should be updated accordingly.